Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be making some meat burger or beef burger. In this bowl I have some carrots, tomato, red and green bell pepper. This is the mince, and I have a piece of bread that I'm going to be soaking, and the egg, one egg. Alright, I will be placing all of this along with onion and garlic into this little chopper, and I'm gonna mince it up a bit fine and add it into the mince ball. Minced beef. I'm sorry. So this is the red and white onion we'll be adding into the little blender and blend it up. Sorry about the nice. So this is it when you don't blend it, what it look like. So this is the bread that is soaked. I'm gonna squeeze the water, squeeze out the liquid. Alright, this is like 2 slices of bread. So here into this bowl I have the egg, the bread, and the vegetables that I just blended up, which is the onion, garlic, bell pepper, and the carrots. Okay, and again 1 egg, and I will be listing all the ingredients that I use in the description bar down below. Alright, mash it up well, rest it fry 2 minutes, and then start the frying. So this is it when I finish mixing, what it look like. So I'm going to ball it off and then fry it. Stay tuned. So after rolling off the meatball, in this flour I have some cayenne pepper, I have black pepper, I have some salt-free seasoning, I have some salt, I have some lemon pepper. I'm gonna mix it up, and this is all-purpose flour. Okay, so I'm gonna flour this now, roll it off in the flour, dust it off, make sure it, and I have the oil on the fire. So now I'm gonna add this to the hot oil. I'm turning it over. This is what the color is getting here. Alright, remember, don't cook it on high heat. So I have it on 2. Check and see if it's strong enough, and then I'm going to take this out and then put it. Alright, let's remember, I squeeze it like this to make sure so that it's cooked in and out. Second bite. This is the meatball and finished what it look like. So I'm going to go and make some gravy to go with this. In this plate they have some carrots, white onion, red onion, tomato, scallion, bell pepper, red and green. I have tomato paste, ketchup, I have the red cooking wine, I have some hot soy sauce, and I have some cornstarch. So I place some cornstarch into this liquid here. Alright, but first I'm gonna fry up some of the tomato paste. And for the spices I have some ginger powder, cube powder, I have some paprika, some salt-free seasoning, and some aji, optional. I'm not going to use any salt because of the cube powder. If it's necessary, I'd add, okay, along with some sugar, optional. Just add some tomato, onion. Now I'm going to add the cornstarch. Stir this, and then I'm going to season this up and let it boil up. Okay, stay tuned. Season the spices. soy sauce, cooking oil, ketchup, stir, and then taste. Okay. So this is it. When it's finished, it look like. Okay. Thanks for watching. For all the ingredients and measurement will be listed in the description bar down below. Thanks for watching. And remember, everything that I use must be optional. You can use more or less. Okay. It's optional. Place the meatball in the gravy. Cover it. And let it soak. And voila. My choice.